Every year, a competition called the Wowie Game Jam is held to see who can make the best video game in 3 days. So I decided to join, but there's just one little problem. I have never made a single game before. Well, except for that one Flappy Bird clone, but we don't talk about that.
And the topic is collaborate with AI.
No. Wait.
After what felt like hours of thinking, I finally came up with my idea. This is Jimmy the astronaut. Now, Jimmy can't jump very high, he's pretty slow, and no one really likes him. And that's where Bob the robot comes in. Bob helps Jimmy pass levels. Once I was happy with that idea, I started making the sprites for the game. I'm not very good at pixel art, so the sprites ended up looking like a 5-year-old's first drawing. But nevertheless, I made a new project in Godot and imported the sprites. I made a simple movement script so that we could move the astronaut around that I totally didn't copy from a YouTube tutorial. Now we can move the astronaut, but he was looking kinda still. That's because we didn't give him any animations. I made what looks like a simple walking animation that actually took a painstakingly long amount of time to make. Once I was done with the characters, I made some tile textures so that we can make levels later on. I was tired of looking at the terrible sprites I made, so I spent some time trying to fix them. I made the astronaut an actual astronaut instead of whatever this is, and fixed the colors for the robot. After that, they looked a lot better in my opinion. Now, it was time to make the AI, but it kinda didn't work, so I postponed it and decided to focus on other things like making doors. But I regretted that decision pretty quickly. The amount of time I spent fixing these stupid doors is immeasurable. And once I was finally done fixing these glitchy doors, now it was time to make the AI. After many Google searches, if statements, and buggy code with temporary fixes, the player can now stop in front of walls, stalk you wherever you go, and most importantly, stay on buttons. Now it was time for the fun part, making levels. After making about 5 levels, I realized how much stuff I didn't make yet. So I quickly made some sound effects using a program named BFXR and also made some background music using a program named LMMS. I then made a rushed menu screen which didn't work half the time, and also made a background for all the levels. I submitted the project through itch.io with builds only for Windows and Linux because I was planning to do a web build so you could play in the browser without having to download the game. But it didn't work, so I decided to export for Windows, Mac, and Linux. But then the Mac build didn't work either. I had many things in mind like post-processing, particle effects, and way more levels, but I couldn't add them because of my bad time management skills. I hope you watching this video will learn from my mistakes and make better games than this garbage, so I could play them. All programs I used in this video, including LMMS, BFXR, Godot, and Aseprite, will be down in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.